right? Ashanti 360, me not afraid to call your name because make everything come out now. And I no lie me I tell. I donate it to your charity, right? More than once. I donate it to you. Even you. Me not go say the part and I donate it to your charity also. Me donate to a 360, me not afraid to call your name because make everything come out now. And I no lie me I tell. I donate it to your charity, right? More than once. I donate it to you. Even you. Me not go say the part and I donate it to your charity also. Me donate to a lot of 6 than a cake and they not taste good. Of course. Of course. And God knows the truth. Because if she been coming out here and said, this year I best year me bake, this year I best year me bake, then when you did a bake and them they dry up cake the way they ma show up on social media over and over, that then me couldn't eat them there. You know see kind of cake them me bake. Me couldn't eat them there. Because I buy them because I want to support her. And the flavors was interesting. So I wanted to taste them from my country people. I wanted to taste it because I never taste plantain cake and sweet potato cake. So I support her. And me come out here and talk about it. Me here talk about it. Me supposed to talk about it. Me have a right to talk about it. I may have a right to talk about my money when me send go on, go donate to Anna. And I did not hear it call out. Me stand up on my foot long hours to work it. And decided say I wanted to help people. Help me elderly Mako round there so. And burying grandchild. And from me see oh you did bury cartoon, right? And go by the people the girl are really don't anybody support. So destruction gonna take you. Destruction are gonna take you. Destruction shall be your portion, Lorian. Because living people but and me. But the people then don't know say a me a forward and but me know say a me cause me and you have rift behind the scene. Me and you have beef behind the scene and you forward and me. Till me your cartoon say she get video voice video and poor me. And your daughter there with woman big like cow. I have dropped down belly and so my daughter if she strip herself naked on the internet contact about your office and money go give him every month. Steve know about that? Yeah, mind man a yard. I talk about the man take you out of poverty. To me, if I did me, he no take me out of no poverty. He doing duty when he supposed to do for a woman. Buy a plane ticket. Yeah, talk about him take you out of poverty. And every month, when you collect your rent, you know say you build house at Jamaica, you can't go down there. Me build my house at Jamaica and I my mother there with debt. You cause your debt. Destruction depend you. Yeah, water depend you. Lorraine, you're a murderer. You're a murderer. Blood upon your shoulder. Your two brother blood upon your shoulder. And your brother, your mother blood upon your shoulder, Lorraine. And a lot of people blood upon your shoulder because you bury people alive. You know check the patient them if they good or not. You don't check the patient them if they good or not. You can't talk to me. You cumble them where you sending out your teeth and I send out your that. And them talk it. But then you how you love friend and you love rush up in a people and give them everything. Cartoon are getting ammunition them from. You don't know where. And them the same people talk how you treat disabled people. Then when you're going 11 o'clock at night time. You know, write down, you know, go check them and say, okay, they are right now, nothing. One of them drop off of the bed. And you nearly get in that trouble. And you never know a hurt himself. And you never know. And you never write in a book. And you know, say I no lie, me I tell I truth, me I talk. Go and when you go in your job, and especially disabled people, you don't go for work for the money. The money will come. Put in your heart and your care inside of it. Right? In unborn child because of the syphilis where you care, go there, go give them. Lucky things say then say, me nah go there so with your husband. And nah go there so with your husband. You talk about you nah go come cuss me. But you go put out. Bitch, you can't put out nothing for me. And then when you watch picture I circulate on the internet. She could have dragged me tomorrow, me no care, in beautiful in her God eyes. Or not too wicked and bad and that who for house you visit. Say your mouth stink. Your mouth stink. Like shit. I did come for wipe y'all. This not fit you. This not fit you. You understand? So, fill his mouth. Crack your teeth, go on back to school. You see the time you take, listen, you see the time you take a play like your FBI out here without badge. You're not, I would have jail. You're not gone away. You come out strong for landlord, this and landlord, that. And that is the only, hey, you know see levels where this girl go? People know see well, I no fear puppy, you know. Don't ask the Lorian. Me no bad behind phone only. Everything that a friend to her and tell her. I tell my daughter don't call. And the reason why she is because nights upon nights when I'm doing live over, he get it, he going to take it. So I said, no, I cannot. Even I told her that Canada. And she said, no, I know Canada, me must not say good. Every time me even call on her live, she a try to turn. You are me even call on her live, she a try to turn, twist and turn my statement different in a different way. Lorian, you're wicked. You are demon. And the only medic thing, Lorian, my child born in, right? Because me can't say your daughter sleeping with woman. Why you have so many rooms? Why you have so many rooms and your daughter not living there? Not that you don't have space. Because she don't want her son grow up and see the lifestyle that she's living. And you well know say she's a lesbian. Right? So don't come for my dad.